What if your grill was smart? And we don't just mean it connects to Wi-Fi. What if your grill could think? Introducing Vera A.I. by Brisk It. Vera is a generative cooking AI that lets you ask anything, say anything, and cook anything. Just tell Vera what you want.
Hey Vera, I want to grill up some chicken wings.
I have some leftover pork shoulder, garlic, and bell peppers in the fridge. What can I make?
I need to make beef ribs for 10 people.
And the AI will understand and generate customized recipes tailored just for you. Need to make adjustments? Just let Vera know.
One of our guests has a peanut allergy.
Make sure it's not too spicy.
My cousin just told me he's joining tonight.
Vera can understand whatever you tell it. Even unusual requests.
I want a stegosaurus steak.
Sorry, Billy.
My name's not Billy.
Moving on. No more endlessly scrolling through recipes full of ads. Just tell Vera what ingredients you want to cook with and how many people you need to serve, and it'll figure out the rest. It doesn't stop at creating recipes either. Vera A.I. will also cook your recipes start to finish using your Brisk It smart grill.
Start cooking.
Then you can go about your day. Vera constantly monitors the cooking process and can dynamically detect and react to unexpected changes, all on its own. So, relax. Vera will make sure that no matter what happens, your food will be delicious and ready when you need it. The age of AI-powered grilling is here, and it's ready to make your life easier and more delicious. And believe it or not, it's just getting started.